Hey there, this is Sai Kumar. Welcome back to my channel Elance Data Sage. Today we will look at Excel formulas, which is HLookup. Then comes the advanced version, which is XLookup. And we will use ChatGPT to get understanding of how XLookup works also. Let's get over to my laptop and see how that works. So we will look at HLookup. We will use the same data and we'll go to the HLookup. Now with the grouping and subgrouping, we are trying to bring the customer membership number and customer name. Let's type HL, which is a horizontal lookup, and V is for vertical lookup. Okay. Now the lookup value is pretty much the header because that is how it functions now. And what we are trying to do is we are locking the row, which is a 4, because the header we need to be there, which is not a column now, it is a row. We need to lock the row. Then we will take the table array. Table array is nothing but the row which we are looking at, and select the entire data. I will suggest you to lock entirely. And then row index, if you put 1, what happens is it gives the header, and if you put the 2, it gives me the next row. Okay, so that is how it functions. So what I will do is I'll put a row index number, okay, for all the row items. Let's just select this one and +1 so that I'll have complete row count. Okay, instead of you going and typing what is the row, you just select this number and select this one, and you can lock it. What is the lock? It should lock for E, not for the row. Okay, then so anyway I am looking at from the 2. Let's put 2 here so that everything will function correctly. Okay, now do the controller so that it automatically gives me the selection of customer name, because we locked the row, not the column. So in previously we locked the column, okay, which is C. That is why when you do the controller, it stays in C only the row will change when you drag it. But for HLookup, it is always the row function locking, then comes the comes the column movement. Okay, now drag the formula till last and you can test it out whether it is working or not. Do the control F2, function F2, or you just can do the F2 also, so that a formula will open, and you can always click on the lookup value and do the F9 so that you will get to know what you have selected. Customer name, then you can select this one also. I am not doing the table array, which will be the huge data. So row number 9, it looking at for the customer name, and that is Brosina Hoffman. Okay, that is how it works here. Then the advanced version, which is a XLookup. Let me do it for you. Do the XLookup, same as vertical lookup only, there is no change. Same, you can lock it, the B, and then lookup array. This is very easy, that is why I'll prefer the XLookup. So you'll not find hiccups here. That is the reason I will select the XLookup instead of VLookup and HLookup. I can also go for some if and some ifs, but that is a later part. I will show that also. Now what are we looking at? This one, right? Yeah. Either you can lock it or you don't lock it. When you select specific range, you have to lock it. When you are selecting the entire column, you don't have to do that. Excel will automatically function clearly without any hiccups. Yeah. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. As we have seen, it is a Boris and Hoffman. It's the same over here. Okay, this is great, right? Yeah, you have to use like it. Then let's go over to the ChatGPT and see what are the benefits over there. Okay, I have typed it already. Let's look at for a brief check it. Here I have searched for HLookup and XLookup benefits. So HLookup only performs the horizontal markings, which is searching in rows. Whereas if you see XLookup, it has a greater flexibility. It works for left, right, whatever you can do because it is similar to the index match. Okay, pretty much that's it. It's same for HLookup also. Yeah, and you can type. Show me the XLookup formula with one example. So either you can use ChatGPT also. By like this, you can do the reiteration and it gives the formula. See, you have the example data and it shows the XLookup also. It selected Mary and A1 to A4 in this range of lookup array, and then from B1 to B2 the output range, and she got the output. And she has given ChatGPT has given the detailed explanation about each function, which is lookup value, then lookup array, then return array. Okay, you can read this if you are more into it, or you can just try it out once or twice. You will get with it. Yeah, that's about HLookup and the advanced function XLookup. Let's meet in the next video for the next set of formulas, which is summaires and index match. Yeah, that's it for this video. Let's meet in the next video. Don't forget to hit subscribe button and click the bell icon on so that all the updates will be there. Tricks, tips, as I told you earlier. Yep. Bye.